And yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Christian here, and I'm in my friend's account in NBA Live Mobile once again. You can see some of my normal account. I have 1,000 MB cash. It's not me, it's him. Hey, bro. I have 140 brackets. That's what I'm here for. I'm gonna do 120 brackets first from the top, bro. Warm up, bro. This is what we can pull.
06.
Actually, bro, let me do this first.
06 score. Ayoko rin maglaro.
We're going to save it up for pack opening for you guys. Give me about maybe just take some time, okay, bro? Just take some time. We're gonna do 94 to 100 overall packs and 90 to 100 pack. We spent 50k in my main account and we got CP3, the 98 overall one. Don't mind the background noise, he's so noisy. Let's log in, boy. It's only 5 packs, but there we go. We're logged in. This is it's not bad. Honestly, let's just. Nope, ain't gonna happen. LeBron's gonna start. Sorry, Iggy, but LeBron's starting. LeBron is starting, not Iguodala. Let's get Iguodala. Speed boost only.
You are welcome.
Anderson, dang. LBJ, boy. Unclaim items, let's just claim it for him. Why is he so lazy to claim it? Good lord, Sean. I know it's your birthday, but come on, dude. What's this pack? What's this pack, dude? I mean, it's a Anthony Davis shards, but that's not bad. Come on, dude. 10 rivalry tokens thing. Okay. Not that. Let's go to the Madness promo. Let's do 30-30. I mean, we have more content than the other one, but this gives me more luck, dude. Open later. Open later. Dang. Okay. Open later. Last one, bro. Open later. It's for a video.
Oh my god, nakomedya ko na naman. What na naman?
Let's just do this. Screenshot. There we go, dude. Warm up pack. 90 to 100 overall player. Madness Lala player. 3, 2, 1. Bang.
285.
Malik Monk. Bang. We can get some pretty good cards. 3, 2, 1. Bang. Oh, dang. Jonathan Isaac.
Oh, 7 MS lang. 5 MS.
Bro, come on. Let's give me some luck. Woo! 96 overall. It's not that bad. Can we get 100 overall? 100 overall pack. Come on, dude. Bang.
One game lang ako.
100 overall. Here I come. 98 Tyler Hero.
Baka
Which is decent, honestly. We got 98 Tyler Hero. What's his name? Steve Blake. Carson Edwards. Who else? Dang. Carson Edwards. Jonathan Isaac.
hanggang 4 lang.
And Malik Monk.
Max na yung 4.
Let's see how much we made in this video.
Kasi malaro sila.
I think that 98, what's his name again? Tyler Hero. It's about 300, 400k.
Eh, nakalbin yung friend ko 010. Siya pa yung ano.
Dang, 200k left.
Yung friend ko, trash talker, 190.
About 230.
Tapos sa akin.
190 yun, 010 yun eh. Yung friend ko, alam.
230 to 250.
Now, we were in the game, right? Keeps calling me. Bumbo, tapos yung score niya,
250. Not the best pool though, but
Kala ko ano, na-ambush.
99 for those guys.
I can up.
Maybe we can sell them like 100k each.
Hindi gumagalaw yung ano.
Not really, but well, 60. But yeah, they will suffer quite. They will suffer something.
Yun yung ibon. Tapos biglang
No 100 overall pool, but 98 overall.
biglang dumating yung MM nila.
Yeah, Tyler Hero. So this is what we got from my boy. Just wait a minute, bro. I want to first close it, and then actually, let's just show that. We're gonna do one game with his team. I just want to see how his team is performing. It's actually decent. 97 John Wall, that 99 Jalen Brown. I grinded that 99 Jalen Brown. He started with like 10,000. No, he started with like 12,000 shamrocks, dude. If that's what it's called. In one day, bro. In one day, I got 57,000 shamrocks for my boy. So yeah. And bro, this is a continuation of the video. It's been the past few hours since I recorded the first part. So yeah, we're doing it's not my account still, it's still my friend's account. We're doing the golden ticket chance back. So he's done, let's do it to mine. Yeah, let's move from there. Can we pull a 102 overall for my dude? His birthday. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. It's gonna be nasty if we do it. 3, 2, 1, bang! Nope, we're gonna get a 79 overall. Marcus Smart. Yay. Let's go to my main account. Come on. Come on, dude. Yeah. I'm that late.
May bit siya, alo ba?
Don't let you into the background, bro. It's just. Yeah. I'm just safe. But if I don't upload twice or thrice a day, mostly I don't. That means I have too much things to do. Has my CP3 sold yet? Oh, it hasn't sold yet. Nice. That's my auction house. It's CP3 and F Curry. Suited na my campaign. Multi-year campaign. Oriented to play a chance back. Let's see what we can get. It's gonna be my James Harden 101 overall. But at least Jalen Brown there only has to do nothing. I have to do this stupid thing. But please come on, dude. Come on, EA. Let me play 100 overall. 102 overall. Backlogs been insane these past 2 days. Yesterday I put the 100 overall Blake Griffin. Today I put the 98 CP3. And yeah, we're still opening this golden ticket chance pack, which we might pull some fire. There we go, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Bang! We don't get it. Nice. But we still got this dude. I'm missing 4 of them. Damn.
Hindi pwede matagal uminom ng vitamin C,
Only 4 of them.
Eh, ang tatamaan dyan, kidney naman.
Let's wait for this. All the way for Darius Garland. I'm making my voice a bit louder probably because my mom's talking in Chinese and Filipino. Let's just wait while doing this. Bruh. EA is taking so long. EA like 2 hours. Okay. Not that much. Not really that much, but it took some time. Bruh. If we crash, I hate EA server. The EA server hasn't been that good. Cross Gordon. Harden ain't a Toronto Raptors, just to get that clear with you guys. Run backwards. I can shoot, I was gonna shoot from here. Where's the big one waiting good? Yeah. I guess you guys have to watch it with me. Let's watch it together. Whatever that is. What's happening? Orange Shadow Legends.
Babe, I just borrowed the badminton thingy.
Bruh. This guy, bro, you guys have to actually, bro, I haven't done a No My Spent episode for 2 days. No, for like a week already. I said I'll do it every 2 days. I have changed my mind. I'll do it every 1 week. Every week I'll do 1 episode. Let's go to my shop thing. Madness. Let's go. Dang. As you can see, I'm rich. Oh, dang. Why? How did I not see that? Let's do this as well so we can happen to accident. Never know for some heat. It's your choice. You guys wanna open this? Me, I don't open it every day. Really. Basta hindi sila mas doing this. Avi. Go to this campaign. Madness campaign. I wanted to only do the 21 so we can do 2. So we have extra content. Let's see what we can get for some fire. 3, 2, 1. Bang! Ooh, 96-ish mid. That ain't bad. That ain't good. I mean, it's 98 overall from 96, I mean. Yeah, maybe. This, I don't really like this pack, bro. I think it's honestly trash. Never mind, it ain't even here. Let's just get these I Wills and why not? They're one of the best rookies in the class, bro. But I guess Isam, but yeah. Definitely Ishmit, we can get at least maybe 100k. Ray Channel Legends once again. Man. I'm in sleep, bro. You guys wanna play Raid Shadow Legends? I play it sometimes, bro. It's decent. It's not a sponsored video by anything, but if they want to sponsor it, that would be great. Okay. Here's the second one. Can you put some heat? 100 over maybe. 3. Whenever I look at it. 3, 2, 1. Bang! 91 overall. Bam Adebayo. I mean, that decent. How much is Schmidt now for? Schmidt is a 96 overall. Signature. Ooh, 200k. have this 200k video for that. It was no matter what I do. I saw this Miss Bogdanovich as well. And, I guess this will be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and those stuff. As you can see, this should make me maybe about 8 mil, 9 mil. I mean, not really 9 mil, but maybe 8. But thank you guys so much. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and peace out.